Hey, Ush 11, Mr. Nass here. Hope you are doing fantastic. This is lesson 5 of Unit 2, talking about rhetorical analysis, and this is a mini summative. So I'm just going to guide you through the different parts of this, what you need to complete to prove that you understand rhetorical appeals. So here's the assignment. You're going to create an advertisement for a product using one of the rhetorical appeals we've studied. So you can use an ethos, pathos, or logos appeal. You get to choose and incorporate that into your advertisement. After you create your advertisement, you'll create one or two well-written paragraphs to explain why you did what you did, why you chose to do, and include different parts in your advertisement connected to the appeal that you decided to use. So let's talk about the advertisement first and then the writing second. The advertisement you make will be done on paper. You'll take a blank white paper that we have for you and create your advertisement on it. It can be in one of these formats. It could be in the style of a social media post, billboard or a poster, magazine advertisement or newspaper advertisement, or it can be in brochure form. These are just some suggestions for how you can do well in creating your advertisement. Going to need to do some planning, thinking about what different elements you will add and how they're going to help with the appeal that you've chosen. Remember, ethos, pathos, or logos. Just choose one, and that's the type of advertisement you're going to create. Second part is your written explanation. Now, your written explanation will talk a little bit about those choices you made in your advertisement, explaining how they connect to your appeal. So, think about things like color. Think about things like the text that you include. You can create a slogan for your product, like some short phrase, a few words, to try to appeal to your audience. And then, how did you place the product? Where did you put it? And how does that help with your appeal? Right here, all you need to do is write one word, ethos, pathos, or logos, so that we know which one you've chosen. Here, you'll decide on the product. Now, you do have to choose from our list of products. You can choose anything off of this list, and obviously you can be more specific within some of them, within most of them. So, like footwear, you choose just a certain pair of shoes or a certain kind of shoes that you want to create your ad about. Coffee, you could have a certain brand or type of coffee, things like that. You also have some options for like public service announcements like we've seen, wear your seatbelt, don't text and drive, things like that. So once again, you have to choose from this list and then write the choice of product here. So if you choose footwear, write footwear and the exact shoe or type of shoes or brand that you are going to be working on. Here with your explanation, we've made some sentence frames. Feel free to use as many of these as you like, or none of them if you don't want them. They're to help you write your explanation, and then you can erase what we have here and write your own explanation, or write it right below here when you're ready to do that section. So once again, you have two parts. You're going to turn in on paper the advertisement that you create. It needs to have color, it needs to have the product, it needs to have a slogan, it needs to have some text, and it needs to use one of the three types of appeals that we've talked about, ethos, pathos, or logos. Once you've created your advertisement, on this document, you're going to write about why you chose to do what you chose to do and how that connects with the appeal that you chose to use. Have fun with this, be creative, and we'll see you in the next one.